Hello my friend and welcome to maxdmcrafting. This is a crafting channel, guys. Welcome to my YouTube world. If you are searching for fancy tutorials for laser and stuff, this is not the channel for you. In this channel, I take you with me in my creative journey, in my crafting journey through my fantasy worlds. I'm not a professional crafter, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm here because I enjoy to make things with my hands. Warhammer, Mordheim, Necromunda, HeroQuest, Dungeons and Dragons. In this channel I will show you how I create all my tabletop terrain pieces. There are several ways to support me and join this community. The first one is to subscribe here on YouTube. You can also become a member of my YouTube community. In that case, you will have extra material and extra videos here on YouTube. The best way to support me and this channel is through Patreon. You can have behind the scenes look, you can have extra material, and you can reach me and have tricks and tips on all my techniques. In this moment, it's online my fantasy modeling course, guys. We will build together a dungeon and a fantasy house, and during the journey, during the crafting journey, I will show you all my techniques. There's no better way to learn and to steal my secrets than watching those videos. A big shout out to my Patreon supporters. This channel exists just because you are supporting me on Patreon. I'm trying to improve the material and the rewards that you will have on Patreon if you follow me. I have tons of posts that are there just waiting for you if you are a newcomer. Still few chapters remain for the fantasy modeling course. I'm finishing the fantasy house. And this is the juicy part, guys, because I will paint the house, I will add details, and I will show you how you can still improve your model even when it is already finished. I have also a Facebook page. In Facebook, I put all the updates of my works. What I'm doing, my work in progress, everything is on Facebook. For the fancy photos, for something that is more, better looking, you can follow me on Instagram. Also there, my community is growing and you can be part of it. This is me at my best. Hope you will enjoy this adventure with me. Thank you for watching and I hope I see you all in the next episode. In the meantime, happy crafting!